The birds are going back to their condos. And on the way,
There's one.
they pooped on Tony.
One was moving.
It took a dump on me.
One is moving over there.
Yeah, that guy right there, he did it. Condo number 14.
Are you getting them going back into their hole?
Right here. See, right there's one. Good.
Mom!
Bad birds, bad birds. Now they have to call the bird insurance company because they have water damage.
What is